Hi guys, my name is Crystal and welcome to my YouTube channel. And Alexa, what's the time please?
The time is 1:02 p.m.
As I suspected, I was due 2 parcels, one today, one tomorrow, and as I thought which would happen is the fire has arrived before the Samsung phone. So the fire was dispatched later than the Samsung phone. The fire's arrived, there's no Samsung phone as yet. You may hear my WhatsApp phone going off occasionally. We have a pervert that is continuing to harass me. I've supposedly been called by an Inspector Nicole Carter from Kent Police in Gillingham, and now I am being harassed on Flirt Finder again. Right? So before I unpack my parcel, what has been said on WhatsApp? Right. So, let's look at the package. It was delivered by the eBay guy who drives a red maroon car in the shape of a Ford. It may be a Ford car, I don't know. So it was a dark-skinned man from eBay delivered my fire. And he rang my buzzer and he left it near the mailboxes. So this is the package. Ningbo Ruining is the manufacturer. N-I-N-G Bo. Ningbo Ruining. Smart Technology Company Limited. Zhejiang Province. Importer You Enjoy Limited. So is that a Singaporean? I don't know. I'm Miss Marshall. Van 59 dropped this off. Let's have a look inside the package. So, made in China. I'm using my sewing scissors. Right. Undo this. So my phone now is starting to worry me, unless it's been delivered by Royal Mail and the post lady might be bringing it along. I don't know. So it's brand new, fully packaged well. I brought this into the lift myself. I carried it on my shoulders. I'm a female. It's quite heavy. But the lift is working. It's working. So we've taken it out of the box. Let's have a look at it. So you've got these silica gel, desiccant, do not eat. We've got those in the package. They always do that. Put these in. We've got kuppet. That is in there. And let's take a look at the fire. I told you it was a small fire. It was nothing big. A kuppet portable electric heater. Infrared heater, power indicator light, control panel, air intake vent. Warning! It is normal for the power cord to feel warm to the touch. However, a loose fit between the outlet and the plug may cause overheating of the plug. If this occurs, try inserting the plug into a different outlet. Contact a qualified electrician to inspect the original outlet for damage. It has an overheat safety feature. Safety instructions. So you occasionally hear my WhatsApp going off. I'm trying to catch this criminal that is causing a lot of stress to me by harassment. Right. So you don't cover a fire, obviously. So there's your coal effect fire. That's the front. And the back looks like this. It's got knobs on. Heat, flame off, high and low. It's made in China. Kuppet portable electric heater. Right, so I'm just going to undo the lead and plug it in. I'll just snip it off with the scissors. Can I please? Yes. Other than trying to untangle all that. Right, I'm going to try and plug it in. Bring it over here a bit. Well, I can plug it in anyway and just get the phone over to it. I'm not going to put it on. So, right, so we've got a knob for flame. The heat and the flame. There's the heat, there's the flame. That is perfect. That is what I wanted. I'm 100% pleased with it. I'm just going to take it outside in the corridor so that we can test it out. Might be a moment. The hallway, sorry. Take you viewers out to the fire in the hallway. Look at that! That's the flame effect. I mean, that's just relaxing and peaceful, just watching that. That's really relaxing. Just watching that, isn't it? So, basically, I haven't stayed in for no reason. I haven't stayed indoors for no reason. My fire's come, but not the phone. Obviously, the phone costs more than the fire. This actually cost me £29 and about 50p. That's not bad for an electric heater, is it? £29, 50p. The phone has cost a hell of a lot more, and this was posted after the phone. But we haven't had the normal post. I've looked in the mailbox, there's no mail in there. So we'll see what happens when we get the post. I haven't seen the post lady with the post trolley. So absolutely fantastic. A Kuppet portable electric heater. Right. See you later.